Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just on your eToro app, so you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So when you click on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on trading, you just click on it here, then you come to next step here, you come here to staking program, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here staking program enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.